Mistress Mayhem. Mia. She is always excited, energetic, and always loves to take on the leadership role. Sophie. She is funny and sweet and has a great fashion sense. Julia. She loves stepping out of her comfort zone and loves adventures. Chud, he is very serious and has to get the job done, also has a prison record. Bob, one of the most polite prisoners and loves to follow all instructions until he broke out of patience and starts screaming. Mia and Sophie on trip to Florida but end up getting on the wrong flight. Let the adventure begins when they meet their friend Julia. This happy trip takes a turn for the worse when it leads to a missing girl and a whole lot of mystery. Can they solve the mystery before it is too late? Find out this mystery in Mistress Mayhem by Eshanvi Kessireddy.